You know, one of the most common reason someone starts getting grey hair is, साइंस के हिसाब से बोलूँगी, इज़ ईदर आप स्मोक कर रहे हो बहुत ज़्यादा, आपका डाइट बहुत ख़राब है, आप स्ट्रेस बहुत लेते हो, या तो फिर आपका जेनेटिक्स में ही है कि यार आपको जल्दी सफ़ेद बाल हो जाएंगे या पिगमेंटेशन कम हो जाता है, वट एवर. नाउ एक बहुत ही गंदा वाला ये स्टिग्मा हो चुका है अराउंड ग्रे हेयर, और ये बहुत ही भयानक अनरियलिस्टिक ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड सेट किए हैं फॉर वुमेन. आई डोंट नो किसने ये सेट किए हैं. एंड this does not apply to just women of a specific age. We are looking at all across the border, like all age, all color, like just this unrealistic beauty standard of having this unnaturally, you know, brown black hair. That's just so fucking bizarre. Like, hey, you gotta look a certain way at a certain age, and that's that. End of conversation, period. नाउ इट इज़ बट ऑब्वियस कि यार हम बड़े हो रहे हैं, तो यार फर्स्ट साइन ऑफ एजिंग हमारी ग्रे हेयर ही होनी है. एंड अब तो 12 साल के बच्चों को भी ग्रे हेयर आ रहे हैं, तो इसका मतलब ये कि वो बुढ़े हो गए. यू नो, मेरे को प्रॉब्लम इस चीज़ का नहीं है कि ग्रे हेयर है या नहीं है, इस चीज़ का है कि लोगों का ओपिनियन और लोगों के रिएक्शन टू द ग्रे हेयर, इस पे इशू है मुझे, और इसी पे मैं बात करूँगी. सो सी, ग्रे हेयर हैज़ सॉर्ट ऑफ बिकम अ टबू. यू वुड थिंक दैट लिविंग इन अ बिग मेट्रोपॉलिटन सिटी लाइक मुंबई, आई वुड नॉट फेस दिस इशू. लाइक किसके पास टाइम है, राइट? यू माइट नॉट सी द बायस हैपनिंग, और पीपल माइट नॉट हैव द टाइम टू स्टॉप एंड चैट अबाउट इट. बट नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है. पीपल हैव outspoken and spoken out loud. They are uncomfortable with me having white hair. I was like, what the fuck? Are you for real? Like legit people have told me this, like legit. अब मैं बोली कि यार ये लोग ना कलेश करवा के ही मानेंगे, कलेश करवा के ही खुश रहेंगे. They want to fight, it's just they don't want somebody to respond back to them. कॉन्सिक्वेंस नहीं चाहिए उनको, सिर्फ उनको बोलना है, दैट्स दैट. कहीं तो नैरेटिव चेंज होना चाहिए ना, कहीं किसी ने तो वो चेन ब्रेक करनी चाहिए ना, राइट? एनीवेज, व्हाट्स अप यू ब्यूटीफुल पीपल, दिस इज़ अदिति एंड आप सुन रहे हो काइपन अदिति, जहाँ पे हम कुछ भी कभी भी किसके भी बारे में बात करते हैं एंड वी ओवर थिंक इट ऑल. येस वी डू. टुडे आई वॉन्ट टू टॉक अबाउट एन इनसिक्योरिटी जो मेरे में थी नहीं अभी तक, बट लोगों ने सडनली डालनी चालू कर दी है, एंड नाउ सडनली आई एम कॉन्शियस अबाउट इट. आई एम लाइक, ये हो क्या रहा है, ये क्या बकचोदी है. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ग्रे हेयर. लाइक वी वुमेन ऑलरेडी हैव टू बैटल आउट. वो पीरियड पेन हो गया, पे गैप हो गया, ऑर्गेजम गैप हो गया, मिसोजिनी हो गया, अब ग्रे हेयर पे भी झगड़े हो रहे हैं. इसका भी बैटल अलग है. यू नो, द डबल स्टैंडर्ड एसोसिएटेड विद ग्रे हेयर इज unreal. Don't even get me started on it. Nee, actually, you know, let's get started on it. What is it about grey hair? Like, no, like मेरे को सही में बताओ क्या है. How is having grey hair offensive? How has having grey hair become the topic of disrespect and aging? Like, if men have grey hair, they are called silver fox है भाई. ये they are assumed to be experienced, mature, knowledgeable. And वही जब ये रोल रिवर्स होते हैं, all the knowledge and the science goes into garbage. सीधा कचरे के कूड़े में डाल दो आप. Rubbish. Now during the pandemic, I told my mom, just stop coloring your hair, because I saw her, you know, complaining about her hair fall. I told her, yaar, I can see your hair scalp. I can legit see your scalp now. अगर आपने कलर करना छोड़ा नहीं तो पूरे झड़ जाएंगे, you will become bald. So I told her, please just stop coloring. So, you know, let me just say this out loud कि यार I am very blessed, touch wood, I am incredibly blessed with great DNA, hair DNA, meaning मेरी नानी has great hair, my mom has great hair, my sister have great hair, and like we all have like lustrous hairs. And so when I told her to stop coloring her hair, she was extremely hesitant. I told her कि यार silver hair looks so fucking hot. So sexy. So stop the self doubt and own this narrative. Now she looks, I will not, I will इस पे मजाक नहीं करूँगी. She looks like a fucking beautiful glorious Targaryen straight out of Game of Thrones. She looks glorious. You gotta check her silver hair out, because oh my god, like I want that shade for myself. I am not kidding. You guys are like, हाँ थोड़े साल और रुक जा, पूरे ही हो जाएंगे तेरे. नहीं, but यार सही में, if you ever looked at my mother, if you ever met me in person, or if you come hang out with me, you'll know, you'll see. I love her hair, and her hair texture also has improved, and now she's taking more care of it. I was like, just own the narrative. इसमें कहाँ self doubt आ रहा है? बाल है, वो ही बहुत बड़ी बात है at that age, right? Anyways, yeah. So then later on, a few days back, I was watching YouTube, and there was this ad about hair dye happening. So अभी प्रॉब्लम मेरे को बहुत है ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट से. सो ये गार्नियर का एड था. योगा क्लास चल रहा था. 2 लोग बैठे थे साइड बाय साइड. एक मॉडल थी, एक अनुष्का शर्मा थी. ओके, एक तीसरी बंदी आती है एड में, बाहर से अंदर आती है. वो लेट हो गई है योगा क्लास के लिए, और वो गलती से वो मॉडल को धक्का मारती है. जो नीचे बैठे होते हैं ना वो लोग 2 जन, तो गलती से धक्का मारती है. वो लड़की के सफ़ेद बाल दिखती है और बोलती है, उप्स आई एम सो सॉरी आंटी, एंड देन शी कीप्स वॉकिंग. शी जस्ट मूव्स ऑन. या एंड देन अनुष्का शर्मा से इसकी देख, तेरे को सफ़ेद बाल है, दैट मीन्स कि तू बुढ़ी है, दैट मीन्स कि यू शुड स्टार्ट कलरिंग योर हेयर नाउ एंड लुक मोर एज अप्रोप्रिएट. मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि व्हाट हैव, मतलब तेरे को क्या करना है? व्हाई आर यू टेलिंग मी what age appropriate looks like? Like, I hate it when a woman takes down another woman and like she tells them that, hey, तेरे सफ़ेद बाल is a issue and it does not look age appropriate and तू अच्छी नहीं दिखती है and blah blah blah. The narrative around other people telling you when you are completely okay and secure about who you are and what you do, but it's the other person जिसको आगे उंगली करनी है आपकी लल्ला हंसी खुशी वाली लाइफ में. That's when कलेश happens for me. See, I do yoga, I have grey hair, and I will not joke about this when I say not a single lady have ever questioned in my yoga class why I have white grey hair, or have ever told me to color my hair. And these women come from a really like rich family background, and like diamond wale hai ye log, and like good industry, and well educated ladies. They are in their 40s, their 50s, in their 50s. And I told them that I'm told multiple times by multiple people that I should get my hair colored, and every single lady have told me this consistently. Do not start coloring your hair. हमारे बालों को देख, पूरे झड़ जाएंगे तेरे बाल, ब्रिटल हो जाएंगे तेरे बाल. एक बार तू चालू करेगी तो फिर there is so much. It does not just stop there. Like one and done करके it does not stop there. The aftercare is a whole another disaster that you have to take care of, and yeah, it's a big process. So I do not want to I do not just like simply to see women pulling down other women, and that's what that ad was about. I am not against coloring hair. Please do not take this the wrong way. You want to do is, if you decide कि यार मेरे को बाल कलर करने हैं तो जाओ कर लो यार. That is not the whole dilemma around here. You do you. You should always do what makes you feel absolutely confident, absolutely radiating, glowing. If you feel that will bring you a lot of confidence and charm and charisma, whatever, you do you. Like, get that green pink hair color done, get that Billie Eilish color done. For all that matters, as long as you're doing it for yourself and not because of out of these self-deprecating thoughts that you have for yourself. You're doing it out of self-love and not any societal pressure. I'm standing against the people who hair shame you, who have hair shamed me along the way, who have looked down upon me. Because believe me, when I say this, I've been there. And there are women who've told me this multiple times, I should get my hair colored because it does not look good. It does not suit their requirement. I was like, wait, what the fuck? So, should I simply color my hair just because I could please these women and men who I meet like once or twice in a year? So people can feel more comfortable around me? That is so fucking bizarre. Imagine making people uncomfortable by simply having grey hair. That's so fucking bizarre. That's just so fucking bizarre. So the advice for hair coloring, also came with a warning of how people treat you differently. Okay, my auntie, my bua, she's extremely brutal and she will not hold back when spitting out some truth bombs. She told me, so okay, by the way, my auntie is like 65-year-old, almost 65ish. So she told me this. She was treated differently, not kindly by people, and she hated that feeling. Like, so उनका ऐसे बोलना था कि वो इम्बेसिल की तरह, मतलब बोलते हैं ना कि यार आपको तो कुछ समझता नहीं, आपको तो कुछ आता नहीं, आप तो इतने बुढ़े हो. वो एजिज्म वाला बात हो जाता है ना कि आप इतने बुढ़े हो, आपको क्या ही समझेगा. वो वाला फीलिंग जो है, दैट इज़ व्हाट शी वाज ट्राइंग टू टेल मी कि आपको क्या ही पता है. एंड दैट इज़ वन ऑफ द वर्स्ट वेज to look at people who have white hair. That's just it sucks that society sees people like that कि अरे इनको तो कुछ आता ही नहीं, अरे इनको तो it just is associated with somehow with white hair, especially for women. Men छोड़ दो, especially for women. So in her experience, she strongly emphasized on getting my hair colored ASAP, or at least get the roots done, because that's where the hair, white gray hair are. And I was like, okay, fine, I listen to you. Okay, if I feel like doing it along the line, I might as well. If I were to do it, I will do it because I want to do it, not because you've told me to do it. It's as simple as that. Now, every person I have talked to who've gotten their hair colored have consistently told me, don't do it Aditi, you will fry your hair. आपके बाल fine thin texture हो जाएगा बालों का. You will lose a lot of hair. Your hair will turn brittle thin, will cause a lot of damage. And then I look at celebrities and think, of course, I mean, that's so dumb of me, but of course I look at celebrities. Out of all of the normal regular people I have to look at, I look at celebrities because that's how the brain works ideally for everybody, celebrities and influencers. It's their job to look a certain, it's all the vanity. You got to look a certain way to sustain and survive in that environment. And of course I look at those people and not the everyday regular people, because I don't think regular people have that sort of pressure as people on the screen. Anyways, I look at celebrities and think, how are these people doing it? कैसे कर रहे हैं ये लोग? बिकॉज अगर इतना, ये तो बहुत ही ऑब्वियस बात है, अगर आप बाल कलर करोगे आपके बाल झड़ेंगे. नो मैटर what the fuck ever color, how much ever beautiful, chemically क्या बोलेंगे, sustainable and good and nice and vegan and friendly and cruelty free and अच्छा chemical, सबसे best वाला chemical आप लगा रहे हो जो भी market में available है. Let me assure you, आपके बाल eventually will thin out and will start breaking. It's just what it is. It is just what it is. And so I'm like, what do people with money do then? And so I knew the answer pretty quickly. They wear wigs because they don't want to use so much chemical on their hair. पहले तो ये option था wigs का. They also wear extensions because अब उनके बाल इतने पतले, इतने कम है कि उनको clips आती है literally बालों की. Clip-on extensions होते हैं. You can Google it if you don't know. Clip-on extensions लगाते हैं बालों में. Or they simply have shit ton of money and dermatologist on their speed dial to give them a call and like share the problem and get the solution within like 2-3 hours. That's that. Yeah. I mean, at a certain point in time, we will all age, we will all die, and aging gracefully is how we all wish to leave the earth. I mean, at least I do. I never understood really the importance of dyeing hair until very recently. I turned 30, by the way, in April. I've been advised by not one, not two, but like four different women in my life who think I should get my hair colored. So I will look age appropriate and marriage material, apparently, also. See, I don't have any issue with, again, as I said, if you are a man, if you are a woman, if you love to color your hair, whatever shade, I do not have issue with that. You're doing it for yourself. That is coming out of self-love and not out of self-hate. I have problem with people when people tell me what to do with my hair. Like, here I am living my best life and suddenly out of the blue, bam! Like, these women come out of the woods and point out that, hey, you should color your hair, Aditi, and just that. Why not live up to the standard, right? I'm so exhausted with the fucking construction in this fucking building. Like, I'm grateful. I'm absolutely humbled and grateful to be living in this incredibly nice apartment that I have right now. But I just do not have control over the, construction. There's a flat above me that's under construction. There's a flat below me that is under construction. There's a flat next door to me. On my floor there are like 3 flats, so the flat next door to me is also under construction, and I'm like, FML, fuck my life, like, just fuck my life. To top it off, anyways, coming back to the point, I was told as I said, not one or two, by 4 different ladies, that too in my family, my blood, that I would not be considered a marriage material or even be considered a potential candidate in this pool of arranged marriage. And it is very off-putting that you have grey hair at such early age. I was like, what early age? I'm aging like fine wine. What are you saying? I'm 30. 30 is a good age to start having like grey hairs, and I'm not offended. Like they want, like, I've been told men want like these young, super attractive women who won't age, and they're like perky and they're like cute and like dazzling and shimming all the way and very feminine and all of that. And I'm like, fuck that, that's a lot for me to take in. I mean, oh my god, somehow gray hair, like, kya bolu main, gray hair is such a like huge turn off that I'm absolutely flabbergasted, shocked during some moments of my life. How is it that it is such a tiny thing, yet it's taken such a huge importance or a huge conversation on the table, basically. Kya bolenge abhi? Shocker. Like, this is an absolute shocker for me. Yeah. So here are a couple of things that I keep telling people who tell me to color my hair. I tell them, how is this relevant to your life? Tumko kya hai? Tumko kya hai? How is this going to improve your quality of life by me coloring my hair? ये बताओ मुझे. Number 2, I tell them, hey, let's sign a contract till I die. You help me financially maintain my hair and bear the cost of hair transplant in the future, because we all know कि वो color करूँगी तो बाहर झड़ने ही वाले हैं. Like, I know for a fact it will eventually thin out, and so let's sign a fucking contract and you'll support me. I'll end up going to Turkey and like get some hair transplant done with the best physicians out there. Post hair color care, जो भी everything is required, all the shampoo, the conditioner, the dermat ka fees, everything, you will bear the cost of it all. It's just, we have to just understand, it's not just one and done. Like, it's not a एक बार कर लो और ये है done deal. Like, you have to keep taking care of your hair color, and you have to keep going back to your hair colorist, stylist, whatever, so that they can keep coloring your hair every 2 to 3 months, because the color washes out eventually. Yeah, that's a lot. Number 3 thing I tell them, yaar, what is the alternative? Not aging and dying young. I'd rather die aged. मैं बुढ़ी होगी तो you get that. What's the alternative? Basically मैं उनको पूछती हूँ. अगर मेरे को पूछते क्या करेगी, कैसे मिलेगा पार्टनर, I'm like, what is the alternative? Not aging. बंद कर दूँ मैं एज करना यार, आप ढूंढ लो कोई अच्छा सा वेम्पायर, आई स्टॉप एजिंग. That would be the best case scenario for all of us, right? And then, I also asked them, why do you care so much? आपको इतना टाइम कैसे है केयर करने के लिए? आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल, आप इतना चिंता करते हो मेरे बारे में. एंड देन ऑल्सो आई समटाइम्स ऑल्सो से कि यार आई एम द सिल्वर फॉक्स इन द मेकिंग, दिस इज द ऑल द एक्सपीरियंस. ऐसे ही क्या बोलते हैं, धूप में बाल सेके नहीं है मैंने, ऐसे ही सिल्वर नहीं हो गए. आई एम सिल्वर फॉक्स इन द मेकिंग. एंड देन ऑल्सो I still want hair on my scalp in 2 years, and that is why I prefer not to color them. Pretty much like इतने सारे reasons आप बहाने बना के बता सकते हो, घुमा के story. But यार it hurts at certain point, it just hurts to see. मतलब अब कितनों को बोलोगे, कितने लोगों से narrative change करवाओगे? Narrative ऐसा बन चुका है, ऐसा unrealistic beauty standard बन चुका है. अब जो कलाकार, वॉट एवर whoever celebrities, actors we see, they have a proper vanity inside. They have to look a certain way to sell what they are creating, and that's that. समझता नहीं है लोगों को ये. Anyways, that's it for today's episode. I do hope you take a few things out of this and never take such comments, criticisms too personally. These criticisms come out of their own self-deprecation and not out of yours, and so they want to pull you down so that they are at the same level as you, but you are above them. Let's just keep it at that. When they go low, we go high. Yeah. That's about it for today's episode. This is Aditi and you're listening to Kaipan Aditi. New episode come out every Sunday 11 a.m. I will see you then. Bye.